Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 17th through the 23rd of September. And honestly, I'm here for redemption. I am here for redemption. Oh my Lanta, guys. Last week I just don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I saw so many people have such great weeks, and that is great, but I just don't know what happened. I really don't. So this week, I really wanted to get redemption. I didn't want to try again last week because sometimes when things go really, really south, I just want to take a step back and take a few days to regroup because, like I said, it was like a punch to the gut. It really was. But I'm going to tell you what happened. So like I said last week, they did give me back the Walgreens cash at the store, which was very, very nice of them. But after thinking about it for the day, I decided to bring my stuff back. I took both transactions in there and I said I would like a refund. The deals didn't go as planned and I would like a refund. And the cashier's like, oh, what happened? I said, I had two transactions here and I was supposed to get a total of $34 in register rewards back between the two of them and nothing printed. And they're like, oh, that is really strange. I said, I know, because other stuff printed out, like a coupon and a booster or whatever. So some other things printed out, but nothing printed out. So they gave me the refund. So on the one transaction where I did like the icy hot, they gave me back what I paid in cash, which was only like $13 with the tax. But then they gave me back the Walgreens cash that I used. They gave me back that as a store credit. So it looks like a gift card, but on the bottom there's a blue bar that says store credit. So I ended up just using that on some other things that I planned on buying in the week anyways at Walgreens. So that was fine with me. Then I returned the bigger transaction and I paid like $51 and some change. I got all of that back plus the total of the coupon. So I ended up getting like $85 back altogether on that transaction. So I felt much better about that because that was a lot. Now, like I said, it was only $51, but what they do is since they've already sent the coupons in to be redeemed, they give you the money back. Now, I've only done that a handful of times in all the years I've couponed. So I wouldn't typically do that, but yeah. And I don't know if my Walgreens cash will be reversed ever at some point, but it hasn't been as of right now. But I will let you know in the community tab if something like that happens. But as of right now, all of the like the Walgreens cash that I earned and then what I got as like courtesy is still all in my account. So I'll let you know. So anyway, sorry about that, but I really wanted to give an update on that in the beginning of the video because that's where you get the most viewage at. So the other thing that I want to talk about is my W days. My W days was like the best thing ever that Walgreens has done. And we all got so much Walgreens cash back on that. So it was just amazing. And I seen on Instagram a couple days ago that Couponing with Nicole, she put up a post, and I'll put it right here, that has like a little bit of a memo on it that there will be another My Walgreens Days between, I think it's October 15th and October 19th. I'm not 100% sure on that. So the more info that comes out, the closer we get to it. Of course, I will definitely share that with you. And of course, other creators will share that with you as well. So I know that was a very long intro, but lots of things to talk about today. Also, really quick, we will be doing two transactions today. We will be using a transaction with a paper booster and a digital booster of spend 20, get back 5. And a paper booster of spend 40, get 9. We're going to build that transaction up and we're going to use a contactless method of payment. I do have videos linked down below in the description box and explaining exactly how to do that. It's very, very helpful and useful. So go ahead and use it, save it. That way you can always look back on it. And then we're going to be doing the icy hot for redemption to see if we get those register rewards. So anyways, guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I like to show you how to save money. And let's go inside, guys, and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is the spend 30, get back a $10 register reward deal. Now the icy hot and the Allegra are not tagged, but I will show you the tag when I get to the product that has the tag on it. So the items that we're grabbing, they're buy one, get one 40% off. We're going to start with getting the children's Icy Hot. They're $11.49. One will be $11.49. The other one will be 40% off at $6.89. Next, we're going to grab one children's Zysol, priced at $13.49. And I'm going to also grab a children's Allegra that'll be 40% off, and this one will ring up for $8.09. So we're just going to be a few cents shy of $40, so we are going to pick up a Act Kids mouthwash. So here's the tag for it, and the Act Kids mouthwash is priced at $6.29. So that's everything we need, and our total for all of the products equals out to $46.25. I have a $2 printable coupon for the Icy Hot that I got this morning, and then I also have a $2 digital coupon for the other Icy Hot. I have two $5 digital coupons for the Zysol and Children's Allegra, and I have a $1 digital for the Act mouthwash. So our total is going to come to $31.25. I don't have any boosters on this account, so it's just going to be $31.25. We will get back a $10 register reward for getting the $30 in products. We should get a $4 register reward for buying 2 of the Icy Hot, because that has been a Catalina promotion that has been going on. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta, and we'll get back $2 for each one of the Icy Hot Kids and 10 cents for the children's Zysol. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Activate Rewards. They have a promotion going on. When you spend $40, you get back $10 in a Visa card. It's called Keep Your Team in the Game, and I will have that linked down below. So we'll get back $10 for that, making all 5 products just $3.15, which I think is an incredible deal. And then, of course, if you have any boosters, that would make it an even better deal. So for the next transaction, my store has the microban, and I missed this deal the last time around, and I'm so happy my store had some in stock. So these are on sale for $4.99. They're part of a promotion where you buy 3, you get back a $4 register reward, so we're grabbing 2 of these. And then the only other Good for Breeze coupon I have for a product that is included is the plug-in. But if you have the $2.30 digital coupon, there's lots of $3.29 Febreze products included. So the total for the 3 products equals out to $13.27. We have a $4.79 off 2 digital for the microban, and we have a $2.30 digital for the warmer. That'll make our total $6.18. We'll get back a $4 register reward, making all 3 products just $2.18. I think that is amazing for cleaning products. So I was so excited my store had them. Next, we're going to do an easy Tresemme deal because we are building up our transaction. There are 2 for $12. They're buy 2, get back a $5 register reward, which I think is a good deal. And then we have a $5 digital. So the 2 of them will cost $12. We have that 5 off 2 digital. Then that'll make our total $7. We'll get back a $5 register reward, making both of them just $2. So I am building up my transaction, so I do need a little bit more in the transaction. So I'm just going for the smaller pack of Huggies wipes. They're 2 for $6 this week. I have a $1.50 off 2 digital coupon, so that'll make them $4.50. And then I have 25 cents for each one of them on Ibotta, making it $4 for both of them. Not a bad deal to put in your scenario. Then we're going to do the Airborne. The Airborne is buy 1, get 1 50% off. It is buy 2, get back a $5 register reward, but I am picking up 4 of them. They're priced at $10.49 a piece. 2 of them will be $10.49. The other 2 will be $5.24. So the total for the 4 Airborne equals out to $31.47. I have 2 $3 digital coupons on my account, but I don't have the $5 one. So we did get printables. So I do have 2 $3 printable coupons, so that'll take $12 off of our total. Then the total will be $19.47. We'll get back a $5 store register reward. We'll also get back $7 in Walgreens cash for that. Spend 25, get 7 in health and wellness, so we'll also get back $7 there. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks. Just keep an eye out on Swagbucks if you don't have this anymore, but you'll get back $5 for 2. So if you do it twice or get 4 of them, you'll get $10 back. So just keep an eye out on Swag Bucks. It'll go back and forth, I promise. Because it's a hot deal right now, that is why. Then we're going to submit our receipt to this brand's website for $10 back when you spend $30. That'll be linked down below as well. That is from Jody Dunn, and then she had a subscriber tell her about that promotion. So then that's going to make all 4 of them free and a $12.53 moneymaker. So that is everything that we are getting in the transaction. Here's everything that we're grabbing. I'm going to be using a spend 40 get back $9 in Walgreens cash paper booster, and then I do have the $10 and the $4 register reward from that first transaction. So that'll help lower the out-of-pocket, and we're building up this transaction. So let's go out to the car now and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and I'm going to tell you what. Redemption was mine. I'm so excited. So I am really happy with what I got. I really am. I am. So we're going to talk about the first transaction. So oddly enough, the only thing that really happened was one digital coupon didn't come off, and I can redeem it on coupons or Shop.with, and we're going to be good to go. So for the first transaction, we got the Zysol, the Allegra, the Icy Hot, and the Act Kids mouthwash. Now, the one thing with this transaction, the Act mouthwash was like $3 more at the store. Well, maybe like $2.25, but it was $6.29 here, and it was $3.99 at the other store that I was at that was literally like 5 miles away. And if you saw my video last week, you just saw that it was $3.99. So I don't know if they went up in a week or it's just a major discrepancy between the two, but it wasn't planned. Here is my receipt. I had a $2 digital off, or I'm sorry, a $2 printable off for the Icy Hot. I had a $5 digital for the Zysol / Allegra. I had a $2 digital off for the Icy Hot and a $1 digital off for the Act mouthwash. That brought my total to $36.25, and I did pay with Walgreens cash. And I want to reiterate that you can always use Walgreens cash to pay for register reward deals. That whole thing with spend whatever is only if you're getting back Walgreens cash. It is not with register rewards, and I want to tattoo that on my forehead. I really do. I'm just kidding around, but I think it's very important to remember that. So I did get back the $10 register reward and the $4 register reward for the Icy Hot. So that was great. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and got back $4.10 because there's a 10-cent rebate for the Zysol, which I don't know. I think it's funny. I'll get back $5 on Shop.with, which they have been really quick the past few days with me submitting things. And then I'll get back $10 on the Activate Rewards promotion for spending $40, get back $10 and a Visa card. I don't know if it's digital or you can get a physical card, but I did spend over $40 worth of items to get that. So then that makes that transaction $3.15, which I don't think is half bad if your kid needs Allegra. If your kid needs Allegra, or if you have a child in sports that gets maybe a few little sore muscles. But anyways, I think I'll be able to put this stuff to good use. And I do have a little bit of a story time with what happened with the cashier and this transaction, and that I want to put that in a separate video so that we can just talk about that because I think it's important. So then on the next transaction, I got the Airborne, I got some Huggies wipes, I got some Microban, Tresemme, and a Febreze plug. So here is my receipt. I did use that $9 paper booster, and then I used a $10 and a register reward and that $4 register reward. I used two $3 printables for the Airborne, and then I had a $5 digital for the Tresemme, a $4.79 digital for the Microban, Airborne, I don't know. I had the two $3 digitals, and that actually come off for the, which is strange because it didn't work with the Allegra. But a lot of times if you have two different coupons and you get the same product, the coupons don't come off. A lot of times if I get a different product like the Zysol and the Allegra, the one coupon didn't come off. But anyways, those both come off, so that's that's great news. Then I had the $2.30 come off for the Febreze plug-in, and then $1.50 for the Huggies wipes. That brought my total down to $23.14. I did use $20 in Walgreens cash to pay because I did use the contactless method of payment. But for whatever reason, when I used the contactless method of payment, it only took 10 cents. I don't know why. So then I had to run my card for another $4, but that's fine. That's fine. I still was able to use the contactless method of payment. So then I only paid $3.14 for that transaction out of pocket, not including tax, which is amazing. So the total cost for this transaction was $37.14 because we're going to add in those register rewards. I did get back $21.42 in Walgreens cash. So I got back $9 for my paper booster, $5 for my digital booster, and then $7 for that wellness one that we've had for quite a while on the Airborne. So there is that. Then I got back $14 in register rewards. So I got back a $5 store register reward for the Airborne. I got back a $4 register reward for the P&G. And then I got back a $5 register reward for the Tresemme. I also got back another booster. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Swagbucks because I still have that $10 or $5 when you buy two and do it twice on Swagbucks. I still have that on my Swagbucks, so I'll get $10 back there. If you don't have it on there, just keep checking back the next couple of days. They typically go back and forth with it. They'll add it on there. It'll be on there for days, and then a really hot deal will come around. And so then what will happen is people will start redeeming it and they'll take it away. And then a few hours later, they'll put it back. Or a day later, they'll put it back. So definitely keep an eye out for that. Then there is that rebate for spend 30, get back $10 for the Airborne. That's going to make that transaction free and an $18.28 moneymaker, which is incredible, which is absolutely incredible because I only paid $3.17 out of pocket for that. So I was so excited to be able to use the contactless method of payment to do that. So good, so good. So then that makes both of my transactions free and a $15.13 moneymaker. And I paid out about $18 out of pocket. I'm getting back 20 of it in cash for sure. I'm also getting back another $10 in cash in Swagbucks when I'm able to cash out in Swagbucks, which I can with $10 or 10. So I'm getting back like $35 in cash altogether. It's really such good scenarios. So I'm really happy with this week. So I think that is like the best redemption. I was able to get all of my items for free in a moneymaker. I had a low out of pocket for one transaction. The other transaction, yes, it was a little bit higher, but then in return, I'm getting more than double back in actual cash. So I'm really excited, like I said. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to check out that little story time video that I'm posting probably later on this evening, just so that it's not in the mix with all the other Sunday couponing videos that come out earlier in the day. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.